Right, morning guys. Just quickly, the daily levels, I'd already put them in, so you can just go through them quickly. They're nice and spread out. Pause the screen and record them. I'm going to pause now and then I'm going to continue putting my levels back in. Right, I've put the levels on that I think are important. So the first thing to notice is this range point of control has shifted from there down to here. So I'm just going to switch that off. So once again, there's quite a lot of levels, but I think it's important to have them all, and then we can start switching off to. I've already hidden some levels that I think aren't relevant. I'm sure you can pause your screen and figure these out. I'm just going to scroll through them slowly so that you can record them all. Okay, I think you've got them. So the only thing I want to highlight here is just a little, how can I say, a visual effect that I always look out for. So I marked it here. I can delete that now. But if you see that wick, so you can see it's on the 30 minutes. Sometimes I look on the 15 minutes. It's similar there. But you can see those long wicks down. So the first one is at that level. Then there's one a little bit deeper, and then back there again. So normally 3, there's 4 there. And after that, to me that's a bullish sign. So I've entered quite a few trades before on how can I call it, a signal like that. So I always look out for that. Obviously the same happens to the top. If you have a long wick like that coming back, test again, then normally you know we're going down. So let's just look for a few other examples like that. That one was quite long, so that's not that significant. There you can see 2 long ones. The third one wasn't there, but that's your sign. There again, not as long, but that middle one is long, and then that one again, and then we went up. That's not that obvious there. There you can see again, long wick coming down, retest again, but they're not that close to each other. There was also a little bit, and then the long one, and then back up again. Same there, go on. So I mean, you get the idea. Look at that one there. That's a very small trade. It's a scalp trade, but I would be interested in that. And then sometimes if you just change the time frames, then what looks on the 15 minutes not as obvious, then on the 30 minutes it is quite obvious. Obviously there's a nice one again. That was the big one, the big trade. Alright, let's go back. So I just wanted to show this level here. I think we reacted, yeah. This is the Fibonacci from there. You can call that a pivot because we went down and we went up again. That's quite an important level. From there to the very bottom, and you see if I move it, we reacted exactly off that Fibonacci. The blue was only created because of that, so we slightly front run the previous weak point of control, and that's why I'll still leave that point of control there. It's not a very accurate level. I'd say that daily is more accurate than the point of control, so you can probably say it's the daily that we just swing failure pattern and then tested and then came down, and obviously that Fibonacci was crucial there. Any other levels? That Fibonacci is too far. Okay, then we've only got the swing failure pattern. That's something new. On that single print there we can remove. I'm just going to take that out completely. Yeah, sure. So last night we came down quite low here. I came so close to being stopped out that long position of mine, but I don't have much hope anymore for that because it's I don't know, I can't see how we're not going to go down and take out these lows from yeah, that level there. I think I'll mark that in there. Temporary key levels. to the top there. Yeah. See that level there, that little that wick down, so we're gonna at least take that out. But even maybe even this low here, and then we might see a rally. So I think we're really gonna run. If we take those lows out, we're gonna really see a push up to the top. So I hope I'm at the computer. I have to travel today, so I really hope I can be online when this happens. Or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that was the low and we're just going up. But knowing Bitcoin, we can expect that low to be taken out. So that's it. So my plan for the day, this might be the low, but like I said, I'm not 100% sure about that. So I'll set, you see my alert is still set there, we didn't quite eat that. So I expect that naked session point of control and that naked daily point of control to at least be touched again before we go down. But I'll be watching that. Maybe we rather go to the top, take out that eye or that eye, and then come down. So I think 43 is our next target level. Yeah, there's a nice single print there, but I'm not sure if we've got enough fuel to go up. We might have to go down lower before we go up, but let's see how it unfolds. Most important for now, short term, will be that VWAP. So we mustn't neglect, can I say, the importance of this VWAP. So if we claim that VWAP, so you can see that's at that previous day equilibrium, which seemed to be important level. If you look there and there, touching it, so reclaiming that equilibrium and the VWAP, so going through, getting above that will be the first sign that we might go higher. But while maybe a move up here and a rejection from there. So yeah, I'll watch that as well, that move up to there, because that could be another rejection, and then we go down and take out the lows before we go up. So a few options there for you today. Yeah, let's watch the charts and enjoy the day. Cheers guys.